Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you remove your iPhone data storage. So to remove your iPhone data storage, at first just go to your settings. Now in the settings, scroll here and go to your Safari. Again scroll here and click on clear history and website data. Again click on clear history and data. Now if you want to keep your tabs, click on keep tabs, and if you don't want to keep your tabs, click on close tabs. I'm just gonna click keep tabs. Now just go back and go to Chrome browser. Now in the bottom last, here you can see three dot icon, click on it. Now click on history. Now in the bottom here you can see clear browsing data, click on it. Now in the top here you can see time range, click on it and click on all time. Now in the bottom click on clear browsing data and again click on clear browsing data. Now just go to your photos. In the bottom here you can see albums, click on it. Now just scroll here and go to recently deleted. Now in the top right here you can see select option, click on it. And in the bottom here you can see delete all, click it and click on delete from this phone. And after clicking it you can just clear some storage of your iPhone. So guys, that's how you can clear storage on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.